Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm going to show you how to change just a single spider injector on these V6, and this is the same procedure on the V8 vortec motors. So, 8mm, we'll take this bracket off, and this is your hold down bracket for all the injectors on here. Let me make sure I'm... Hope everyone's doing good with that COVID going around. Alright, so this little bracket, it clips on your, this is your fuel pressure regulator. So that's going to be the hardest part to get it around. Just use a screwdriver, pop it off of there. Actually, no, it's separate. I thought that was one piece. This is my first time doing this, so trying to see if it's better. I mean, this injector costed, what did it cost? I think it was like $46. On Rock Auto. Everywhere else wanted like $100, or yeah, it was like $100. I think eBay was like $80. Ooh. It's coming. It's just in there. I don't know if I'm doing it right. There's no instructions on exactly pulling this. It does have a 2-pin thing in there, which I wasn't thinking about just a second ago, but hopefully we ain't gotta pull those pins out also. Okay. So 2 pins. I don't know how I was rotating that. Let me just look down in here and make sure nothing's damaged. Okay, so your 2 pins actually come up through the top here, which plug into your fuel injector plug that's on your intake. So we'll just slide this down in there, same way the other one came out. Make sure everything's straight. So I'm not going to do any twisting now. I'm just pushing it down in there. Ooh. Double check this. There's no twisters. Making sure there's no locks or anything in there. Everything should be good. It should just slide straight. Seems pretty simple. I wonder if this will press it in. So a lot of places want to sell you the whole assembly. This assembly is like $300. So we're saving quite a bit here. We're gonna ratchet that in. Stay on the safe side. Okay, let's push it down in there now. So. That injector was staying on and leaking. Make sure everything's good. Now these injectors, if you're trying to double check all this stuff, These injectors require a 36 minimum PSI to open up, so even if you have your power and ground going to it, you still have to have that pressure. They're called poppet injectors, so they run half off of your electrical current and then the opening pressure off of your fuel pressure. So this runs off of your manifold vacuum. That's why there's no hoses that hook to that, if it confuses you. But yeah, this right here, changing the one is gonna save them $250, but this is my first time changing it. It does seem like it's down in there all the way. I had to use the bracket to push it down in, but hey, check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.